Hi guys, it's Tech Jake here. Today, we're diving into the LG HU85LA, which is a pretty impressive ultra-short throw laser projector designed for your home theater setup. If you want a massive 120-inch 4K UHD picture without the hassle of a traditional projector setup, this one definitely catches your attention. First off, let's talk about the display. This projector delivers true 4K UHD resolution. That's 3840 by 2160 pixels, so you're getting crystal clear visuals with excellent detail. Whether you're watching movies, streaming shows, or gaming, the image quality holds up really well. The laser light source pumps out 2700 ANSI lumens, which means it's bright enough for rooms with some ambient light, so you don't need to shut all the lights off to enjoy your content. Because it's an ultra-short throw, the HU85LA sits really close to the wall or screen, just a few inches, and still projects that massive 120-inch image. That's a big deal because you avoid all the setup headaches that come with long throw projectors needing a lot of space. The projector supports HDR10, which improves the dynamic range and color accuracy, making your content pop with deeper blacks and more vibrant colors. This is especially noticeable when you're watching HDR movies or playing HDR-compatible games. Smart features are baked in here too, thanks to the built-in Smart TV platform. You get access to popular streaming apps right out of the box without needing an external device. And with Alexa built-in, you can control your projector hands-free, which is super convenient if you're relaxing on the couch. LG also includes their Magic Remote, which is pretty much a must-have for navigating menus and apps smoothly without fumbling around. It's intuitive, simple, and feels natural in the hand. Connectivity-wise, the HU85LA offers multiple HDMI ports, USB inputs, and supports Wi-Fi, so you have plenty of options to connect your devices like gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, or external storage. Design-wise, it's sleek and modern, finished in white, which can blend nicely in most living rooms or dedicated home theater spaces. The build quality feels premium, which matches the price point. Now, about sound, while it does have built-in speakers, for the best experience, pairing this projector with a dedicated soundbar or surround system is definitely recommended. That way, you get immersive audio to match the big, beautiful picture. One thing to note is the price. This is a high-end projector, so it's an investment. But if you want a clean, minimalist setup with an ultra-short throw, 4K quality, and smart features all in one device, it's worth considering. In summary, the LG HU85LA is a standout choice for anyone looking to create a home theater experience with a massive, sharp 120-inch screen without sacrificing space or convenience. The combination of laser brightness, 4K UHD, HDR10, and smart functionality make it a versatile option for movie lovers and gamers alike. If you're interested in getting your hands on the LG HU85LA, check out the link provided in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.